Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data and tackling a question I get asked a lot. What's the difference between data science, machine learning, and data analytics? These fields are exploding right now, and it's easy to get them mixed up. So, let's break it down and bring some clarity to the chaos. First up, we have data science, the big daddy of the data world. In a nutshell, data science is all about extracting knowledge and insights from data. It's like being a data detective, uncovering hidden patterns and trends to answer complex questions. Now, data science uses a whole toolkit of techniques, including statistical analysis, data visualization, and yes, even machine learning. Data scientists are the masterminds behind those Netflix recommendations you can't resist. They're the ones figuring out how to personalize your shopping experience, detect fraudulent transactions, and even develop self-driving cars. They're like the Sherlock Holmes of the data world, using their skills to solve mysteries and bring valuable insights to light. Next up, we have data analytics, the more focused cousin of data science. Data analytics is all about analyzing historical data to understand past trends and performance. If data science is about predicting the future, data analytics is about understanding the past. Imagine a business wanting to understand why their sales dipped last quarter. They'd call in a data analyst. These number ninjas would dive into the sales data, identify any patterns or anomalies, and create easy-to-understand reports and visualizations. In other words, data analytics is about turning data into actionable insights that drive business decisions. Finally, let's talk about machine learning, the rockstar of the AI world. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think about those spam filters that magically keep your inbox clean, or the facial recognition software that unlocks your phone. That's machine learning in action, people. These algorithms are like little data-hungry machines, constantly learning and improving from the information they're fed. Now, you might be thinking, this is all fascinating, but what does it mean for my career? Well, the good news is that data science, machine learning, and data analytics are hot fields with incredible earning potential. It all boils down to your interests and career goals. Do you enjoy sifting through data to uncover hidden stories? Data analytics could be your calling. Are you fascinated by the idea of creating intelligent machines? Machine learning might be your jam. Or maybe you thrive on tackling complex problems using cutting-edge technology. Data science might be your perfect fit. No matter which path you choose, the demand for skilled data professionals is only going to increase in the coming years. I've been working hard to make this channel a valuable resource for anyone interested in the world of AI and data. If you're enjoying this content, hit that like button and subscribe. And be sure to let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning.